Cross-dressing is an art form, a personal expression of identity and femininity. As with any aspect of self-presentation, undergarments play a critical role in enhancing both appearance and confidence. For cross-dressers, gaffs and panties are essential tools that can help create a smooth, feminine silhouette. In this guide, we'll explore what gaffs and panties are, how to choose the right ones for your body type, how to wear them for a comfortable, flattering fit, and how to take care of them so they last. We'll also dive into the different types available and provide recommendations to help you get started. What are gaffs and panties for cross-dressers, and why do you need them? Before delving into the details of how to select and wear gaffs and panties, it's essential to understand what they are and why they're necessary for cross-dressers. A gaff is a specially designed undergarment that helps tuck male genitalia to create a smooth and feminine appearance in the groin area. It essentially flattens the front, making it easier to wear tight-fitting dresses, skirts, or pants without any noticeable bulge. For many cross-dressers, achieving a flat front is crucial for passing in public as a woman and feeling more feminine. A gaff provides both the compression and support needed to achieve this look comfortably. Wearing a gaff also boosts confidence, as it helps cross-dressers feel more natural in their feminine clothing. Cross-dressing panties are designed specifically for those who are tucking or for individuals who need additional support in the groin area. They often have a more forgiving cut to accommodate tucking and provide extra comfort. Cross-dressing panties come in various styles, including lace, boy shorts, and shaping panties, each designed to enhance the wearer's femininity. For cross-dressers, panties are more than just underwear, they're a symbol of femininity. Wearing pretty panties helps reinforce the feminine experience, making you feel more like the woman you want to present. Choosing the right gaff and panties is essential for both comfort and aesthetics. Here's how you can make the best decision based on your body type. Different body shapes require different undergarments to achieve the most flattering look. If your hips are wider than your shoulders, you might want to focus on gaffs and panties that balance your proportions. Look for high-waist gaffs or shaping panties that draw attention to your waist and smooth your curves. If your waist is significantly smaller than your hips and shoulders, almost any style of gaff or panties will suit you. A classic gaff with lace panties will complement your curves while maintaining a flat front. For those with more of a straight or rectangular shape, look for gaffs and panties that create the illusion of curves. High-waisted panties with a bit of padding can enhance your hips, while a thong gaff can add subtle femininity. Getting the right size is crucial. Gaffs should be snug but not too tight, as excessive compression can cause discomfort or even pain after prolonged use. When purchasing panties, make sure they are not too loose, as that can interfere with tucking and may cause the panties to shift around uncomfortably. Before buying, measure your waist and hips to ensure you're selecting the correct size. Remember, sizing can vary between brands, so always check the manufacturer's sizing guide. The material of your gaff and panties plays a significant role in your comfort. Nylon offers a smooth finish and strong compression, making it ideal for gaffs. These materials stretch and conform to your body shape, helping you achieve a flat front. Cotton is breathable and comfortable. Cotton is often used for panties. However, it lacks the shaping ability of synthetic materials, so it may not be the best option for tucking. Lace is perfect for panties that are more about appearance and femininity. Lace panties offer an elegant and delicate look, though they may not provide as much support or compression. There's always a balance between compression and comfort. Gaffs designed for maximum compression will give you the smoothest front but might not be as comfortable for extended wear. On the other hand, less compressive gaffs may be more comfortable but may not provide the desired appearance, especially under tight clothing. It's essential to experiment with different gaffs to find the right balance for your body type and clothing style. Wearing gaffs and panties correctly can make all the difference in achieving a smooth, flattering appearance. Here's how to wear them comfortably while looking great. The key to wearing a gaff is learning how to tuck properly. Gently tuck the male genitalia between your legs toward the back, using your hand to hold everything in place. Once tucked, pull the gaff up snugly over your groin, ensuring it's tight enough to hold everything in place but not so tight that it causes discomfort. The gaff should lie flat against your skin and create a smooth front. Walk around and move to ensure everything stays in place. If it feels uncomfortable, you may need to adjust your tuck or try a different size. Wearing the right panties can enhance your feminine curves and provide additional comfort. If you prefer a more delicate, feminine look, opt for lace or silk panties. For everyday wear, boy shorts or shaping panties are practical and offer more support. If you're wearing tight-fitting clothing like dresses or skirts, consider layering your panties with pantyhose or tights. This can help smooth out any lines and enhance your overall silhouette. Proper care and maintenance will help your gaffs and panties last longer, saving you money and ensuring you always have reliable undergarments on hand. Gaffs, in particular, should be hand-washed with mild detergent to avoid damaging the material. Panties, especially delicate lace varieties, should also be washed by hand whenever possible. If you must machine wash your panties, place them in a lingerie bag to protect them from snagging or stretching. Use a gentle cycle with cold water to prevent damage. Avoid putting your gaffs and panties in the dryer, as heat can break down the elastic and cause them to lose their shape. Instead, hang them to air dry. Proper storage is essential to maintain the shape and elasticity of your gaffs and panties. Avoid cramming them into drawers. Fold them neatly to prevent wrinkles or stretching. Humidity can affect the elasticity of your gaffs, so keep them in a cool, dry place. Even with proper care, your gaffs and panties will eventually wear out. If your gaff or panties no longer provide the same support, it's time to invest in a new pair. When the material starts to fade or feels uncomfortable after wearing, it's a sign that the garment has reached the end of its life. There are several types of gaffs and panties available, each designed to suit different styles and preferences. The most common type, designed for basic tucking and suitable for everyday wear. Ideal for tight-fitting outfits like dresses or swimsuits, offering a discreet look without visible panty lines. These gaffs offer additional support and compression for the stomach area, perfect for those seeking more control over their silhouette. Lace panties is feminine and elegant. These panties are perfect for special occasions or when you want to feel extra beautiful. Boy shorts and high-waist panties is practical and comfortable. Boy shorts offer more coverage, while high-waist panties can enhance your curves. Shaping panties provide extra control and are great for achieving a smooth silhouette under tight-fitting clothes. Gaffs and panties are indispensable tools for crossdressers aiming to present their best feminine selves. Choosing the right ones, wearing them properly, and taking good care of them will not only improve your comfort but also your overall confidence. Whether you're dressing for a special occasion or just a day out, the right undergarments can make all the difference in how you feel and look. So, experiment with different styles, find what works for your body type, and embrace the journey toward expressing your femininity with pride. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.